As a chef, the reason I choose Opal Australian Barramundi is the story. This is a family farm. When you think of fish farming, you don't always think of these small family farms. This is a third generation Northern Australian family farm. These fish are raised in open raceways, the closest they can be to their natural habitat. When you're standing looking at these raceways, they overlook the Adelaide River, and you truly feel like you are immersed in the nature that is Darwin. The flavor of Opal Barramundi is so pure. It's one of these fish that you can eat cooked or raw. It is beautiful in any form. For me, one of my favorites is serving it raw because there's an opalescence to the fish that looks like the sunset when you slice it and it hits the light just right. Opal Australian Barramundi is versatile. And so whether you're looking for a center of the plate cooked protein or you're looking for something raw for sashimi or sushi, it's a no-brainer and it's such a cool go-to. For our entire careers, we've seen the same 5 fish, right? Barramundi is just different. And not only that, it's different in flavor, it's different in texture, it's different in look even. And that as a chef is so unique to be able to say, I have found something truly different that I can bring to my guests every single day. So this dish is a slow roasted barramundi. It has a fish sauce caramel. We roast it real slow. It's so moist. This fish is impossible to dry out, which is what I love. As a chef that is truly involved in conservation sustainability, there is no fish like Opal Australian Barramundi. They have truly set themselves apart by making sure they invest in not only the socioeconomic impact and making sure that their dollars go back into the community, but also making sure that the land these fish are growing on is taken care of, not just for this generation, but for generations to come as well.